Nestled within the untamed scrubland of Kanjari Village, a stone's throw from the Thol Nalsarovar wetlands, stands a unique residence, aptly named 12.0. The site, previously distinguished only by a solitary Piludi tree, presented a blank canvas for Studio 2+2 to craft a dwelling that embraced the surrounding natural beauty. The brief called for a residence with a grand living area, capable of hosting large gatherings, alongside a few private bedrooms, all while harmonizing with the tranquil wetland environment. The architects responded with a single-floor structure, a monolithic composition of glass and exposed concrete. A striking feature, and the inspiration for the house's name, is the inverted slab cantilevered 12 feet from the inner facade. Supported by a slender mild steel colonnade, this projection provides ample shade and maximizes visibility of the surrounding landscape. This design principle of maximizing prospects permeates the entire house, with an open plan that ensures panoramic views from every interior space. The residence seamlessly integrates the lush green ecosystem with the comfortable indoors. Floor-to-ceiling fenestrations, primarily sliding and folding, blur the lines between inside and out. The expansive 1,500 square ft living area can transform into an 8,000 square ft gathering space simply by opening these shutters, effectively extending the living space into the surrounding environment. A courtyard serves as a buffer zone between the semi-private and private areas of the house. This open-to-sky space not only enhances light and ventilation but also acts as an outdoor lobby, creating a sense of balance and separation between the active and restful zones. The house is thoughtfully divided into 3 distinct blocks: the gathering block, the retiring block housing the bedrooms, and the utility block encompassing the wet kitchen and service areas. The layout is straightforward, beginning with a wide vestibule that offers a glimpse of the parametric ceiling in the internal dry kitchen. Flanking this vestibule are 2 contrasting views, one framed by wooden louvers overlooking the central garden, and the other showcasing the courtyard with its lush erica palms and radermacheras. This vestibule leads directly into the combined living and family areas, seamlessly connected to the dining space and dry kitchen, forming a grand, unified space. Every space in the house benefits from cross-ventilation through aluminum louvers with integrated insect nets, ensuring a constant flow of fresh air throughout the building. The meticulously planned landscape is a thriving ecosystem, boasting approximately 110 species of trees and over 150 species of shrubs and ground covers. Preserving the existing datum was a priority, minimizing soil filling except where necessary for the vegetable gardens. The site, originally 5 feet below road level, was raised by only 2 feet after the creation of a large rainwater reservoir. This not only saved on costs but also created a valuable resource for irrigating the extensive plantings. The reservoir, capable of holding approximately 4.5 million liters of water, supports a diverse range of fauna, from fish to birds. The overall landscape encompasses a nursery, a substantial orchard, vegetable gardens sufficient to supply over 20 families, a central party lawn, and a densely planted forest, enhancing the biodiversity of the surrounding scrubland. 12.0 stands as a testament to thoughtful design, seamlessly blending architecture with nature to create a harmonious and sustainable living environment.